What's up guys, good evening from Malaysia. My name is Vinner Singh and I hope you have a fantastic day. And today I'm going to eat peanut crushed very fresh pancake from a street vendor. Most of the times we used to eat pancake from a big franchise, but this time I found a unique street vendor. I found this street vendor near to my hostel and he's always been busy with making these pancakes. He's a busy man. It's garnish of white sugar. He's using a lot of buckets while making the liquid for the pancake. Cover the pancake for a few seconds. Big size bucket. Now it's time for the topping of crushed peanuts. And it's like a blanket of peanuts onto the pancake. This pancake is ready. Now it's time to cut the slices equally, and each slice cost of 1 ringgit, which is a Malaysian currency. As I told you earlier, he's a busy man. Each pancake has 10 big slices. I will give the review in the end of this video, and he also have another pancake which is a plain pancake, no sugar, no peanuts. Let's see how he makes. And look at this, it's round in shape, no peanuts, no sugar, plain and simple pancake. And it's ready within 10 seconds. Price of both the pancakes are same, 1 ringgit. And look at this, how beautiful are these pancakes. It's like a Doraemon pancakes. I never seen these kind of vendors in my country. And these pancakes are ready. I told you it take less time as compared to other one. And look at this awesomely beautiful buckets. He's a hard worker. Let's try these two pancakes. One is plain and other one is filled with the peanuts. And look at this, it's a plain white color inside. Oh, it's so fine, so tender. I'm a pancake kind of person. I love to eat. And this one is my favorite peanut crushed pancake. And it's so hot, my fingers are burning. And the color of this pancake is slightly different from the previous one. Extremely hot. Well, that extra peanuts are providing the extra richness to this pancake. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.